As we watch the number of hospitalizations take off in the wrong direction, leaders in Guilford County gathered late today to do their part to help control the spread.
And it could mean mandatory masking. Fox 8's Tyler Harden is in the newsroom. And Tyler, if this is approved, how soon are we talking where this could take effect?
Yeah, well, we're talking as soon as tomorrow. Guilford County commissioners met with local mayors and health experts for 4 hours today to discuss bringing back the mask mandate. Chairman Skip Alston tells me that he's calling those mayors tonight, asking them to sign on immediately. The daily percent positive at 32% in Guilford County. There is an urgent fear about the rapid spread of the Omicron variant in our community.
We have to learn how to deal with it and also how to live with it.
One way of dealing with it, the return of a mask mandate. Chairman Skip Alston says with a percent positive 6 times higher than where health experts want us to be, we are in a state of emergency. Hospitals are strained now and preparing for an Omicron peak early next week.
They are the ones who are caring for the sick. They are the ones who are having to put their patients in the morgue after they die. They are the ones who have to tend to the patients in the hallways, not in a hospital room.
Chairman Alston asked all 10 mayors in Guilford County to join him in reinstating the mask mandate. If they don't, the earliest it could legally happen is January 13th, when the county commissioners meet as the Board of Health to vote on it.
In order to make this work and make it effective, we need all of their support. Especially the support of our big cities, of High Point and Greensboro.
I don't think mandates are the way to go.
High Point Mayor Jay Wagner has never been a fan of mandating face coverings. He feels it should be a personal choice.
I think we're far enough into this where people have had the opportunity to get vaccinated. They know what to do. We're not educating people at this point. They know what to do. But sooner or later, we have to reach the point where we're comfortable saying that people are able to make their own risk assessments and go about their lives again.
And Chairman Alston tells me that since they lifted the mask mandate in November, 70 people have died of COVID. Tonight at 11. If the mandate is back, how will it be enforced? Live in the newsroom tonight, Tyler Harden, Fox 8 News.